Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to solve Wi-Fi problem in Windows 10. If your Wi-Fi or WLAN is not working, follow this video to solve the issue here. As you can see the cross-marked icon in red color, and notice this. You cannot access wireless internet now. Okay guys, don't worry about it. I have an idea to fix this issue. Press Windows key plus R button to open Run command. You can also do this by typing Run in search bar and click on Run command. Then you need to type devmgmt.msc, then enter. The device manager window will appear. Now click on the left arrow of the network adapters to expand. As you can see, wireless network adapter with a download icon. Right-click on it and select Update Driver Software. Okay, look and see. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. After that, then select Let me pick from a list of device drivers on my computer. Next, need to click and check Show Compatible Hardware. And I am going to choose the driver. If there are two drivers showing, choose anyone. Then click on Next. In a few seconds, the driver will install. And look, here first, as I said, the red icon is changed. You can now use the LAN signal or wireless signal to access the internet wireless. Viewers, now I hope you liked this video, and I request you to subscribe my channel to watch my next videos. Also, don't forget to like and share. Thank you, friends, and see you.